Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will see exercise 9.2 of class 8th. This exercise is completely based on the product of monomials. Okay, so its first question is find the product of the following pairs of monomials. In first one we have to get the product of 4 and 7p. Now product means we know product means we have to multiply. We have to multiply 4 by 7p. So that we know 4 sevens are 28 and the variable will remain same. So this is 28p will be the answer of first one. Second one, we have to multiply minus 4p multiplies by 7p. In this question we have numbers or constant is coefficient, numerical coefficient as -4 multiplied by 7. Negative coefficient will multiply by each other and the remaining term what is remaining? P into P. So that 4 sevens are 28 but one number is in the negative, that's why here negative symbol will come, and P is multiplying 2 times. So here P into P is P square. It can also be write in the form, you can see their base are same. So when base are same, P1 plus P1 will multiply by P1, base is same, so 1 plus 1 will give us P to power 2. Third, minus 4P multiplies with 7PQ. That means minus 4P multiplied by 7PQ. So numerical coefficient will multiply by numerical coefficient. It means -4 will multiply by 7. Now what is remaining with the first expression? P, and in the second expression PQ is remaining. So that 4 sevens are 28 but one number is negative, so negative will come in the answer. Here we have P multiply by P. P is to power 1, P is to power 1. So base is same, their power will add. So P is to power 2 and Q will remaining as it is. So third one answer is minus 28 P square Q. It's fourth here. In fourth we have to multiply 4 P cube multiply by minus 3P. We have to multiply firstly numerical coefficient with the numerical coefficient. So that 4 will multiply by minus 3. So that first expression remaining thing is PQ and second expression remaining thing is P. So that 4 3s are 12. Here we have P used to power 3 and here we have P used to power 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. It means we have P used to power 4 as in the answer of fourth one. Now fifth. In fifth we have to multiply 4P by 0. If anything is multiplying by 0, its answer will become 0. This is the solution of first question. Question number second is find the areas of rectangle with the following pairs of monomials as their length and breadth respectively. It means whatever is given in that first expression is showing length and second expression is showing breadth. So we have to find the area of rectangle. We know area of rectangle is length into breadth. Its first measure is PQ. So according to question, P is length is P and its breadth is Q. So that area of rectangle that we see in length into breadth. So on the place of L, what we have to put? P. And on the place of Q, on the place of breadth, what we have to put? Q. So it will become PQ. So first one answer, area of rectangle, is PQ. Same we will do second one. Here first is showing for length 10 m. This is not meter, okay, 10 m. And second one is showing breadth. This is 5 n. So area, as we seen, area is equal to length into breadth. So on the place of L, what we have to put? 10 m. And on the place of breadth, what we have to put? 5 n. So numerical coefficient will multiply by numerical coefficient, 10 into 5. And variable will multiply each other. But one condition is also there. Here both variable are different, so they will remain same. 10 5s are 50, m will remain same and n will remain same. So this is the solution of second one. Next, 20x square 5y square. So 20x square is showing for the length and breadth will become 5y square. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. So on the place of length, what we put? 20x square. And on the place of breadth, what we put? 5y square. So numerical coefficient will multiply each other, 20 into 5, and remaining will multiply at the last. But you can see both remaining variable are different to each other. One place having x square and another is having y square. So they will remain same. 25s are 100 and x square same, y square will remain same. Same. Next one, 4x 3x square. So 4x is length and breadth is 3x square. So area is length into breadth. Length is represented by 4x and breadth is represented by 3x square. So numerical coefficient will multiply each other and its variable will multiply each other. Okay. Now 4 into 3 is 12. Now you can see we have in the first variable x is to power 1 and here x is to power 2. Base is same, so their power will add. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Here 12x cube will be the answer of 4x 3x square. Now in last 3mn 4np. Length is represented by 3mn and breadth is represented by 4np. Now you can know area of rectangle, length into breadth. Length is 3 mn and breadth is 4 np. So coefficient, numerical coefficient will multiply by each other. So 3 into 4 and remaining will multiply each other, mn and p. So 3 4s are 12. You can see m is only one time, so it will remain same. P is also one time, so it will also remain same. But n is how many times is multiplying to each other? N is multiplying 2 times to each other. It means here we have n is to power 2. So 12m n square p will be the answer of 3n mn 4n p. So this is the solution of question number 2 of exercise 9.2. Question number 3 is complete the table of products. It means in this table product is happening, but how product is happening? Let's study the table. Here in the first column and first row we have monomials. It means here first monomial and here is second monomial. 2 places giving in the question as an answer. Here the intersecting, you can see the intersecting of this row and this column is this point. Like when you see the computer, in computer Excel sheet is showing the cell. So what is cell? The intersecting of row and column is called a cell. So this cell is intersecting of this column and this row. So what is the answer is here? Here we have 4x square. So should we multiply first, this is the first monomial, and second monomial. Second monomial is 2x. So when we are multiplying them, 2 2s are 4 and x into x is x square. Yes, we did correctly. It means we have to multiply first monomial to second monomial and we will get our table cell content. Let's do it. Now for this cell we are doing. This cell is the intersecting of this column and this row. This column first monomial is minus 5y and it will multiply by 2x. Okay. We will see the intersecting. How this cell is making. Because this cell is intersecting of minus 5y and 2x. So we will multiply these both monomial. Okay. Minus 5. 5 2s are 10. Minus is there, so in front of 10 minus will come. X and y totally different to each other, so they will remain same. So what will be the answer of this cell? This cell answer is minus 10xy. Same we will do for the next. For the next, first monomial is 3x square and it will multiply by 2x. You can see 3 2s are 6. Here x is to power 2 and here x is to power 1. So x is to power 2 plus 1 is 3. So what will be the answer is here? Here we have 6x cube. Now for the next, same we will do. We have to multiply 4xy with second monomial. Second monomial is 2x. 4 2s are 8 but 1 expression is having the starting as a minus, so here minus will come. X is to power 1, x is to power 1, so here x is to power 2 and y will remain as it is. So here we have minus 8x square y. You can do directly here if you are understood, but if you are getting confused, so you will do the multiplication in the rough like I am doing. Now next cell, first monomial is 7x square y and its second monomial is 2x. So 7 2s are 14. Here x is to power 2 and here x is to power 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So x is to power 3 and y will remain same. So here we have 14x cube y. Okay. Now the last cell of this column is first monomial is 9 square y square. It will multiply by 2x. So that 9 2s are 18 but having minus symbol. Here we have x is to power 2 and here we have x is to power 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and y square will remain same. So its answer is minus 18 x cube y square. Okay. So this is the answers of first row. Let's see next row. In the next row, this column is, this cell is empty. So this cell is made by 2x and minus 5y. It means these are the first monomial and second monomial is this minus 5y. So for this cell 2x will be the first. So 2x will multiply by minus 5y. So 2 5s are 10. 1 is negative, so negative will come here. X and y totally different from each other, so they will remain same. So its answer is minus 10xy. Now second, this cell, for this cell its first monomial is minus 5y, so that minus 5y will multiply by second monomial. Second monomial is minus 5y, so that 5 5s are 25. Minus minus plus, okay, so plus will remain here. Y is to power 1, y is to power 1, so here we have y is to power 2. So its answer is 25y square. Here this cell is already given by the question, so we will not see it. Here we will see this, okay. Here we have first monomial is minus 4xy. It will multiply by second monomial, that is minus 5y. So that both expression are negative, so their answer will be positive. Okay, so 4 5s are 20. X, here is not x, so x will remain same. Y is to power 1, y is to power 1, so y is to power 2. So its answer is 20xy square. What is the answer? 20xy square. Now we will go on the next one. Next cell, first monomial is 7x square y. It will multiply by negative 5y. So 7 5s are 35. 1 is positive, 1 is negative, so here negative. X square, here is not x square, so here x square will remain same. Here y is to power 1 and here y is to power 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So y is to power 2 will become in the answer. So its answer is minus 35 x square y square. Now last cell of this row is representing by the intersection of minus 9x square y square. It will multiply by minus 5y. Minus 5y. So minus minus plus. So 9 5s are 45. Okay. So x square is only one time. So x square will come here. And y is to power 2. Y is to power 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So here we have 45 x square y is to power 3. Now this we do with the in a very proper manner. Now we will do this 1 2 3 4 row directly. How can we do directly? I am putting here one pencil, okay, here, because I have to do this cell. This cell is made by 2x and 3x square intersection. So 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 3s are 6. Here x is to power 1 and here x is to power 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. It means in the answer x is to power 3. Again, if we are going at downside, okay, again this empty cell is made by 2x and minus 4xy, intersection of 2x and minus 4xy. So 2 4s are 8, but 1 is positive, 1 is negative, so here negative. Here x is to power 1, here x is to power 1, so in the answer x is to power 2. And y will remain same. Same proper manner we will apply here. 7 2s are 14, x is to power 2, x is to power 1, so here x is to power 3 and y will remain same. Here 9 2s are 18 and minus symbol will come because 1 is positive and 1 is negative, so negative will remain in the answer. X is to power 2, x is to power 1, so here x is to power 3 and y square will remain same because in the upside we don't have any y term. Same we will do for the second 3 5s are 15, but as a negative because minus is there in the 5y. 3 5s are 15. X square remains same and this y square will remain same because they are totally different to each other. Now minus minus plus, 4 5s are 20. Here x and here we don't have x, so x will remain same. Here y is to power 1 and here also y is to power 1, so here y is to power 2. Here 7 5s are 35, but how? Here is positive and here is negative, so here negative will come. X is to power 2, we don't have any x term is here, so here x is to power 2. Y is to power 1, y is to power 1, so here y is to power 2. Same is here. 9 5s are 45, but both expression are negative, so their answer will become in the positive because minus minus is plus. X square will remain same because here we don't have any x term. Y is to power 2, y is to power 1. So y is to power 3 because 2 plus 1 is 3. Now for the next, here 3 3s are 9, x square. So here x is to power 4. Minus 4. 4 3s are 12, but negative. Here is negative. Okay. X is to power 1, x is to power 2. So here x is to power 3 and y remain same. 7 3s are 21. Here x is to power 2. Here x is to power 2. So here x is to power 4 and y will remain same. Now 9 3s are 27, but negative with a negative symbol because minus 9 is here. X is to power 2. X is to power 2, so here x is to power 4 and y square will remain same. Now for the next, 3 4s are 12, but negative. Okay, x is to power 2, x is to power 1, so here x is to power 3. We are adding the powers of x. Okay, same x power will add, same y power will add, and y will remain same. Now minus 4 minus 4. 4 4s are 16 and minus minus will become plus. X into x, x square. Y into y, y square. Here 7 4s are 28, but negative. Okay. X square will multiply by x. So here x cube. And y into y is y square. Okay. 9 4s are 36, but minus minus plus. X is to power 2, x is to power 1. So here x is to power 3. Y is to power 2, y is to power 1. So here y is to power 3. Now next column, 3 7s are 21. X is to power 2, x is to power 2. So here x is to power 4 and y will remain same. 4 7s are 28, but negative because here minus 4. X is to power 1, x is to power 2. So here x is to power 3 and y into y is y square. 7 7s are 49. X square, x square. So x is to power 4. Y into y, y is to power 2. Okay. Now 9 7s are 63, but as a minus. X is to power 2, x is to power 2. So here x is to power 4, y is to power 2 and y. So y is to power 3. Now last column, 3 9s are 27, but negative. X is to power 2, x is to power 2. So x is to power 4 and y square will remain same. Now minus 4 and minus 9. So minus minus cut to each other. 4 9s are 36. x into x square, x cube, y into y square, y cube. Now 7 9s are 63, but how? Negative. X square, x square. So x is to power 4, y into y square, y is to power 3. Now 9 9s are 81, but positive. X square, x square. So here x is to power 4. Y square, y square. So here y is to power 4. Here we completed our question number 3. Remaining question we will see in the next video.